So today I will be replacing these exhaust tips from this MagnaFlow exhaust. They're starting to burn my bumper and they just honestly don't look very good. So I'm going to be replacing them with different ones. So I'm gonna get just a crappy welding job, and God knows how old they are, and sitting right against the bumper. And this bumper isn't painted the greatest in the first place, so it's starting to, as you can see over here, burn and chip. So I'm gonna take care of this problem. Got some nicer tips that we'll install. Let me show you those. Just some universal tips. Thought I got slanted, but I didn't. Unfortunately, we'll just put these on for now. They'll look better than what's on there. They are double walled or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna do this next. I am here at a place off of Walnut Hill in Dallas, and this my boy Francisco over here is working on something. He's worked on my last 2 or 3 cars. He's not usually the cheapest, but he's really good and he pays attention to detail. So I'm excited to get him to get this done. Alright, so I'm back home now. I definitely wish I had gotten the slanted tips, but I guess they're better than what was on there, and now my bumper will not burn. They're okay. I like the color. I'm not a huge fan of the shape. So I will replace these again with slanted tips. But they sound fine and they look good. That one's a little off center. He needs to redo a little bit of the piping that was done before. But I told him just put it together because I'm gonna replace these tips. But anyway, here they are. And at least it won't destroy this badly painted bumper.